goodness breading software.
Okay. Hi, I'm Carly.
Hi, I'm Elia.
And today we are going to show you one of our absolute favorite and easiest recipes ever, roasted cauliflower. Now, we love to use our convention oven fry baskets, but a cookie sheet will do. We love these because they're wonderful for everything. You can put potatoes on them and they'll turn out like French fries. Really, really awesome. You can use a big knife, but I suggest a paring knife and I'll show you why later. You have your whole heads of cauliflower, rinsed with water, and a little bit of seasoned salt. So you start by removing the leaves. And what I like to do is I like to go to the base of the cauliflower. So I'm going right here. And just kind of twist around and saw through a bit, and you can pull it off. That'll get most of them. Then you can cut or pluck at the others. Cutting is usually easier since these are pretty firmly attached. There you go. Now you find where, to make these big florets, you find where the stem branches off and chop there. As you can see, this isn't very hard to do. It's not rocket science. Honestly, I would recommend this as a really good thing to teach your kids how to make. It's great practice with knife skills. They're not as likely to cut themselves. The knife doesn't get very close to the fingers. And it's just really easy to make and it's really delicious. And you don't have to worry about them eating these raw because they taste fine that way and it won't kill them. One of the benefits of cooking vegan. And if you want to use the stem, which you can, you go like this. Chop it semi-thin. Not too thin or it'll just burn, but thick enough that you have some meat to it, but that it doesn't take forever to cook. Now, about the bottomish parts, are not as good. They're really tough, and sometimes they can be a bit bitter. Cooking with a family of 10 is hardly ever quiet, completely quiet in the house. Always make more cauliflower than you think you could eat because you will surprise yourself how much cauliflower you eat. I would say never cook less than one head because even one person could go through one head rather quickly and not feel too guilty about it. We're cooking 5 heads for our family and that probably won't even be a light snack. By the time dinner rolls around, I expect most of the fry baskets will be empty. So using our fry baskets, we always season it on the counter because cauliflower is wet. The seasoning will stick to it without any oil. But because it's kind of wet and because there's holes in our basket, it makes a big mess if you do it on the counter. I think if you're doing it in your cookie sheets, you'll be fine. What you do simply here, take a little pinch of your favorite seasoning salt, you just sprinkle it on top. Yeah, this is one of the few times where we actually use salt. We usually try to use miso instead because miso is heavy and healthy, has all these awesome properties. So miso is really cool because of the soy in it. The soy counteracts the negative effects of the salt in the miso. Since miso is a fermented food, it also has really good bacteria for you. But when you cook it, you kill all those good bacteria. And cooking is what we're about to do. We have a convection oven, which makes our cauliflower a little crispier. You don't have to have a convection oven to make this recipe. You can bake or roast it, but if you have convection, use it. Now we just stick these in. Note, we don't have to preheat it. Until the top of your cauliflower is golden brown. If it's a little bit burnt on top, some people like it that way, some people don't. I think it gives it a crispy, crunchy flavor. In the meantime, you can go about your daily business. A moment of truth. So these are just perfect in my opinion. I like them kind of crispy on the top with a little bit close to being burnt. Some of my family members don't agree and they think that this is closer to perfection. See, just slightly golden brown versus more darker brown. These could maybe go a little bit longer, but these ones are about perfect. And there you have it. The delicious, awesome, roasted cauliflower. Good, goodness.
Good. Good. You should bake this and you should have one. Be sure and like and subscribe.
You too.